Northeast India is home to the most beautiful landscape and diverse culture. Despite being blessed with its natural beauty, the region has been facing a significant challenge in terms of high incidence and prevalence of cancer.
Cancer here on North Shore Juhaya on North Shore, and look at here, my can't go for you. I'm a cancer, and grandmother shower who are
Dedicated cancer hospitals in Northeast is a silver lining for thousands of cancer patients in this region.
Technology plays a vital role in everything we do. Sustainable infrastructure and state-of-the-art medical equipment help us in imaging cancer patients as well as do a lot of imaging-guided procedures and interventions.
In the Northeast, fight against cancer has always been very challenging. But with Assam Cancer Care Foundation and with the help of Siemens Healthineers, we have been able to make a tremendous impact on the lives of these cancer patients and also been able to change the landscape of cancer in this region.